It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 Bronco Badlands Sasquatch Edition, and it is a ROUSH. It has the eruption green exterior and it's got the black interior with the orange stitching and orange highlighting, and this has 37-inch ROUSH wheels as well. It's got a lift kit. It has the rock plate lights underneath as well as a exhaust system. The air intake is also upgraded, and it has a 2.7 liter engine paired with a automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You also have the hard top with a sound deadening liner and many more features. If you'd like to take this little beauty out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7 liter engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's a 4x4, and you also have the ROUSH air intake. And let's have a look inside and see what else is going on. Storage and locks in the door, and you have these nice all-weather mats. Beautiful stitching on these seats with the buck and bronc, and you also have manual adjustment with the manual lumbar, and then your release for your hood, electronic parking brake, your lighting controls. There's a grab handle right in the body that just makes it easier to get in. And then we're gonna slide right in here. It's starting to rain, so I'm actually gonna stop this and start this for you. Okay, we're inside and looking at the steering wheel. So we have our cruise control, volume, hands-free, and our menu, and this is a push start. So foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button, and then any important messages, the odometer reading, all of that's going to show up here, and we can just go through the different options that we want going up and down. And then in the center here we have the leveling for uneven surfaces, front locking differential, rear locking differential, trail turn assist. So if you are doing a tight turn or even a donut on soft surfaces or surfaces that are not hard. So what I mean by that is gravel, sand, that kind of thing, shifting surfaces. And what it does is it locks the rear wheel on the driver's side and then gives you traction on the rear wheel on the passenger side. So this gives you a pivoting point to allow you to do that. And then you've got the traction control and your hazard lights. And then down below here we've got sources. You notice the audio is highlighted, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Got this little side menu as well if you want. And you've got settings, so you can go in there, change the look of the display screen and touch on anything you want. They all have sub menus. And then we have our features, owner's manual, and driver assistance. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back here, and we've got our center line, green, yellow, red, just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles. So let's put us into park, volume, and tuner. You've got your fan, you've got your AC and max AC and the climate control dial. And then you've got your rear defrost. And then down below, we have our USB-C and USB, little place to put cubby. You've got your VIN there, you've got an automatic select shifter, and then you've got your 4x4, you also have your hill descent, and you've got goat modes, goes over any terrain. So as we dial through, you're going to see the different options. Starting on the left, you're going to see the line that says normal. Icons are going to change here, and then color, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl. So depending on the weather, depending on the road conditions, where you're going, what you're doing, you can go into different goat modes to adapt to that. A couple of cup holders, and then our window controls are in the center here, and so are our side view mirrors. You'll notice that your side view mirrors are attached to the vehicle, not the door, because when the door comes off, you still have side view mirrors, which is awesome. And then again, you've got the controls here because the doors come off. You don't want the controls going in there. Away with them. And you do have a storage bag for the top, which is a hard top with a sound deadening, so that enhances the acoustics and cuts down on road noise. And so the two front panels come off, and you've got a storage bag in the back for that. Upfitter switches, and so one of them is wired to the rock rails on the side. It has lights underneath, which is kind of neat. And then we also have our lighting controls here, and you've got a manually dimming rear view mirror. 37-inch wheels, and also take a look at those rims, pretty rockin'. These are ROUSH rims. You also have the rock plates, and underneath is rock lights actually. And this is a Badlands with a Sasquatch package. And you have as well the ROUSH badging, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. And then you've got your spare tire, you've got that nice gold going on there. In the center is where your backup camera is located, and you've got tow hooks back here. Your buck and bronc is also gold, and you've got a exhaust kit as well. And then when you want to open it up, this is a swing gate. So you just put your hand in the handle here and pull it open. Opens quite wide, and then flip this up. You've got that windshield wiper on the back there, and then back here lots of room. You've got a 12 volt, the light with the buck and bronc. You've also got the storage bag here, the ROUSH swag as well. In the bag you've got some gloves and the tow hooks, the rope that goes in there too. When I say rope, and the hooks there for the front, and a few other little goodies in this nice bag. And then this is a storage bag for the roof, because the front two panels of your roof come off. And you've also got the R cover for your hitch that's located there. And then you just close the glass and then swing the gate closed, and then you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage in the door as well. You've got grab handles in the body, seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, and you've got these nice stitching. The headrest comes down, just press the button and then pull the tab at the back, it'll come right down, and then you're seeing everything back there. You've got your cargo mat, extra carpet mats. On the back of the seat are anchors to be able to tether baby seats. Then just give it a push back into the upright position, flip up the headrest. There's an armrest with a couple cup holders, this nice mesh, all-weather mats on the floor, just reminding you that center console is not a step. And then you have the window controls, and that is because the doors come off. And you've also got your USB-C and USB. There's that hard top with the sound deadening, so that it enhances the acoustics but also cuts down on the road noise, and you're all set to go. Windshield wiper and backup camera in the rear, privacy glass in the back windows, hard roof with the 2 front panels that come off, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.